Here are the makings of Greek vinaigrette. I love it because it's a wonderful Greek salad dressing, or it can be a terrific marinade or sauce for grilled foods. Let's start here with some feta. We're going to want to crumble this feta. I always buy feta in a block and crumble it with my fingers. I can give it the texture I want, but most importantly, when you buy it in a block, it stays nice and creamy. Sometimes when you buy the pre-crumbled blue cheese or feta, it gets dry. Crumbling feta is not that time consuming, and the payoff is great with better flavor. Let me wipe off my fingers. And now, this is a great trick of the trade. When you want to use dill in a recipe, sometimes chopping dill can get really tedious. It gets all over the cutting board and it starts to stick. I like using my favorite kitchen tool, scissors, to just cut it right into the bowl. And then you also get that amazing aromatherapy from smelling the fresh herb right under your nose. Right, a few more fronds here. Okay, that's enough for our dill. Now we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon, a little bit of oregano, dried oregano, pinch of salt, fresh ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of delicious olive oil. If you have a cooking olive oil and a premium olive oil, this is the time to break out the premium olive oil. And there you have it. All you have to do now is just whisk this together. Ah, fantastic. I can smell the dill, the feta, even the black pepper. I would use this as a marinade for chicken, or after your chicken or fish comes off the grill, just take a couple tablespoons, pour it right on. It makes it look fancy. All you're doing is grilling something simple, putting a homemade salad dressing on top. If you want to use this for the classic Greek salad, get some lettuce, some cucumber, some peppers, tomatoes, some of those pepperoncinis, and you have got yourself a real treat.